To create a thread on X, click on the post button at the left sidebar. What I usually do is that I prepare my post beforehand. Like for instance, this is the first post of the 4 different posts I want to make. You could actually type yours while you're doing it, but I think the best way might just be to prepare the post beforehand. All you now have to do is copy. So I'll just copy the first one, which is more or less like the title. Go to X and enter the first post. Once you've done that, click on the add icon here below the post box, and here you can enter the second post of the thread. Just going to copy this and paste. Go ahead and do the same here. Click the add button again, copy the third post on the thread and paste it right here. And then since I have just 4, I'm going to click on add again to add the last post in the thread. Copy and paste. Now once you're done and you're satisfied with what you've done, you can click on this icon here to add either pictures or videos or add GIFs. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click post all to post your thread. Now if I click view, you can see my thread here. And that is it. My thread has been successfully created. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.